Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? Not Machine here, and I'm going to show you how to get some free boxes. It's just an idea, but it's so important. Here you can see my outgoing today, and there's actually much more than that that needs to go out. But the point is this: when you start getting up, and you will get up to my level and beyond, and if you're merchant fulfilling like I do, you can easily get up to 700, 1,000 packages a month. Well, even if you're buying your boxes at, say, 50 cents a box, you could end up, saving theoretically, easily $500 just in boxes. That adds up. Now, here, I'm going to show you just something to think about, guys. When you get into wholesale, you're going to have a lot of empty boxes that you got to get rid of. And where you get rid of them, sometimes you can find other boxes. So we're going to get these over to the recycle place and see if we can find some boxes. All right, hustlers, we done made it to the recycle. I'm gonna show you guys pretty much what it looks like out here. Of course, when I get here, there's gonna be somebody behind me, right? You just knew that was gonna happen. So let me show you what's going on. Okay, so just to give you guys a better look at the type of recycle place that I'm at. You see all those dumpsters? Now, the way this one is set up, you got all these dumpsters, and it's, you don't have to deal with any personnel, staff, or anything like that. Just throw your boxes away. And what you can do is, after you throw your boxes away, you can go through and you can find good boxes. If you're shipping with Amazon, you don't got to worry about it, because you got actual Amazon boxes that are ready to go, and these are still in good condition. You figure, shoot, this might be $5 right here, just in boxes. And if you're willing to do some rooting around, you can find something. Now, mind you, this was just something to give you guys an example. Always keep your eyes open. The answers to a lot of our challenges are right there in front of us. I'm out here, I'm getting ready to meet with a couple of vendors, and while I'm out here, I'm doing this, getting rid of boxes, getting a few boxes, and then moving on and just incorporating that into everything that I'm doing. So I hope you guys got value. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, a like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment on where you're finding, good boxes. Now, remember, if you're gonna ship with Amazon, they really don't want it too much on the box. Actually, they really don't want anything. But Amazon, so many people are buying off Amazon. You can find used Amazon boxes. We'll come up with another, I got another tip for you to get boxes. So again, leave some comments. Let's figure out ways that we can save money together, and I'll see you in the next video.